Hey guys, how to reset control center on iPhone. So if you've seen right here the control center and you want to actually reset it to maybe the old version, whatever it might be, you came to the right place. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the settings, right? And then basically in the main settings, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead to the general, right? In the general, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down right here and all the way to the bottom of the page, and you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it. All right, and basically you're gonna see erase all content and settings and reset. Click reset, and then basically you're gonna be able to see a couple different resetting options. And then basically we don't have any option to reset the control center only, but instead of that we will have the select this or reset all settings, right? And basically once we select reset all settings, it will restore all of the settings, standard settings. That won't delete your apps or contacts or photos or videos, so it won't delete all of your information, but it will just restore all the settings that you made on the previous updates, right? Or to the defaults. And that will also reset your control center layout and options. So when you select reset all settings the iPhone will prompt you to enter iPhone passcode in order to confirm that. And when you do enter your passcode, the iPhone will do a soft reset, and you just want to wait a couple seconds, and the app logo will appear over your screen and until the iPhone does the reset. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.